Hello, my name is Leos Cseppentő, and in this video I would like to present you how to install the symbolic execution-based test tool evaluator framework, also known as SETTE. The usage of SETTE is presented in the next video. SETTE is being developed at the Fault-Tolerant Research Group at Budapest University of Technology and Economics, Hungary. You can find more information about SETTE at SETTE-Testing.github.io. For this tutorial, I will use a freshly installed Ubuntu 14.04 LTS virtual machine with all the requirements pre-installed. You can find the detailed installation tutorial on the SETTE website. In order to use SETTE, you have to check it out first from GitHub. We have three repositories. One contains SETTE itself, one contains the code snippets used by us, and one contains our evaluation results. For an easy start, we will check out both the SETTE tool and SETTE snippet repositories. First, let's open a new terminal window and create a directory for SETTE. Now check out the two repositories. The first repository contains the code of the SETTE tool, and the second repository contains our code snippets. Now we have checked out the source code and the snippets, but in order to use SETTE we also need a test input generator tool. We will install Symbolic Pathfinder. The other automated tools are SETTE and GPath, and you can find the instruction for these tools on the SETTE website. Now we have checked out the source code of SETTE and our code snippets. In order to use SETTE we also need the test input generator tool, and in this case it will be Symbolic Pathfinder. The other automated tools are SETTE and GPath, and you can also find the instruction for these tools on the SETTE website. First, run the get tool script to initialize and check out the Java Pathfinder and Symbolic Pathfinder repositories and initialize the tool. This script was written by us, and it also creates an initial configuration for Java Pathfinder. If you already have Java Pathfinder installed, you should consult our tutorial because this script overrides your previous configuration. In the future you will not have to call these scripts if you want to update Java Pathfinder and Symbolic Pathfinder. As the checkout is complete, we have to update the repositories. The script hasn't found any changes because we have just checked out the repositories, but this script also passes version information about the tool, and it will be used later by SETTE. Now we can build Java Pathfinder and Symbolic Pathfinder with the build tool script. This script calls Ant with the default configurations for the two repositories. As you can see, there might be some warnings, but if the build was successful you can just ignore them. In the future, if you want to update Java Pathfinder and Symbolic Pathfinder, you only need to call the update tool and the build tool scripts respectively. We also need to build both SETTE and the snippets. And at last, we have to set the initial settings for SETTE. First, let's create our configuration by copying the default one. And now open it with the text editor. Please make sure that your bracelet property is set properly. This should be an absolute path to your SETTE base directory, the directory which includes both the SETTE tool and SETTE snippets subdirectories. The base.dir property can contain several directories, and the SETTE will check for all the paths at start. Now we have only to use this. After you're ready, just save and close the file. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I will show you SETTE in action. If you are more interested in our framework, please visit the project website at settetesting.github.io or read our paper. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Goodbye.